to Kappa this morning. I'm in the bus, so they did come pick me up at my hotel. It was a guy, he arrived and just went on his scooter. So for information, I do not have a big backpack, I have a suitcase. So he put his suitcase on the front of this scooter, I don't know how, and then he drove me like 5 minutes to the bus that was just in a street like that. I'm on my way, which is great. And it's 10 something. It's not 10:30 yet. I don't think so. Anyway, we on the way to Kappa, and it's going to be, I think, a 4 to 5 hour journey. So I will arrive there in the middle of the afternoon. Quick stop. I bought chips. We're going to go in like 5 minutes. These are my chips. I took original. There was like a lot of tastes, different flavors that we don't have in France. But yeah, I took original. I don't want any like strong taste. It wasn't feeling like it. There was like sandwiches and stuff like that too. I didn't want to take that either. So yeah, it's really cheap here. Way cheaper than in Korea. We've already been driving for 1 hour and a half, I think, something like that. Yeah, it was quite fast, and it's really good that we had a stop. Yeah. We're about to hop on the speedboat to go on the island. Oh, it is a tiny, tiny boat. The whole experience is a bit chaotic. Okay, I'm on the boat. The experience is a bit chaotic, but that's fun. Oh my god. Apparently the boat ride is only 5 minutes, so we're going to see that. I went to the very top of the boat. There will be captain right next to me. So I think this is a good spot. I think we are already here. So it was really 5 minutes. It was really, really fast. Okay, already getting down. Yeah, we're hopping on another bus now. It is way tinier. I just arrived to my hotel. I'm in my room right now. I just did the check-in. It's really nice because you can do the check-in really early. It's only 2 p.m. The hotel is like at the end of a little alley, so I think it would be really calm at night. And my room is good. I like it. Like, let me show you. So this is the entrance door right here. Let me show you a little bit. So we have the elevator right here. I'm on the 4th floor. My room is the first one, right over there. So I have a big bed, then little commode thing with like full-length mirror, and okay, let me not enter the bathroom because I have my shoes on, not this one, or this one, and then I have a full-on bathroom like that, which is really nice. And so the window here gives on the long corridor of the hotel. The hotel's pretty big, I think. It's the whole building. We have all the buildings here, and down there, on the other side, there's the sea. And I'm also going to ask for tomorrow. I want to do like the tour we can do in the bay. There's like a Halong Bay that is really well known, and there's Hanla Bay that is just as beautiful. So there's a whole tour that you can do during the like a one-day trip. Started from early in the morning until like 5 in the afternoon. So I really want to do that because I checked the weather forecast and it's probably going to rain this weekend. Tomorrow, 15%. So I did book my tour for tomorrow for Lanha Bay. It starts, they come get me at the hotel at 8:20, so we'll have to wake up a little bit more early than what I've been doing. 8:20 was the time I was waking up till now, so now I have to wake up a little bit more early. The tour that I booked for tomorrow was 480,000 dong with everything included, the food, the transportation, the kayaking equipment, everything. It's so, yeah, it's around like, let's say like 18 euros for everything. So it's really cheap. Anyway, this is what the city looks like, by the way, here. And you have the mountains behind, and I wanted to go back to this viewpoint, but apparently it's definitely closed, so too bad, I guess. I thought there is like a trail, so I'm just going to the trail. Yeah. So yeah, compared to Hanoi, look how empty those streets are. In the end, even if I have to have like a little scooter to go around the island, I think it will be quite okay. Let me go on the other side because this side there's trees in the middle of the pathway. But yeah, I've never drove a scooter in my entire life, so it will be a first experience, and I'm a bit nervous and excited at the same time. It's good to walk a little bit. Being in the bus for like 4 hours, pretty happy. It's a coastal walk. It reminds me of the one we have in France, in south. Well, we have a lot of them in the south of France. We got a first viewpoint here. Pretty good. The light here is absolutely crazy. It is so pretty. Love it. I don't know how long this trail is, but I'm really enjoying. It is so pretty, so nice. so calm after Hanoi. Well, it looks like someone had fun on the beach. I've reached the other side, people. I'm on the other beach. Yay. I love that. It's so pretty. So now that we've reached this side of the beach, I'm going to go all of the way back up and go back on the other side, find some place to eat and go back to the hotel, I guess. And that was a good first afternoon. There's some kind of tiny little grotto cave over there, so that's what I'm trying to go to. Looks like that. Let's go this way so we don't get our shoes too wet. Yeah, I love it. Look at that. Ooh, nice view. And I think this is the absolute perfect place to finish this vlog today. Thank you for being with me and see you tomorrow.